Hi friends, this is Dr. Shailesh Pai and I represent Team Conceptual Orthopedics. We are proud to announce the Conceptual Orthopedics Trauma Pinnacle course to be held on March 27 to 29, 2026 at Vidya Jeevan Center, Greater Noida. There have been few queries regarding this course and through this video, we shall be able to solve those queries. The commonest question asked by many of you is, what does the delegate gain by attending this course? There are many such courses in the country. So what additional are we going to get out of this course? So to put it in plain words, the best learning I feel any student or delegate gets is when the course is directed towards enhancing the knowledge, attitude, and skills of that particular student. So for the knowledge component, we do have these case-based discussions of all the regional orthopedics in trauma. So be it proximal humerus shoulder, distal humerus, elbow, proximal forearm, hip, knee, ankle, all these are learned with case-based discussions in which you as delegates get to plan each case that is being discussed, formulate a plan, discuss the pros and cons of each plans, and then see what has been done and see how it could have been done better. So this way surely will make oneself understand the concept much better. With regards to the attitude, we are one of the most advanced conceptual orthopedics advanced simulation lab here, in which there are multiple stations through which the delegate goes and learns certain concepts in trauma which could only be learned by seeing it being done right in front of their eyes. And the last but not the least is the skills. One of the best ways to learn orthopedic trauma is to carry out the instrumentation on a sawbone with a fracture. So we have the best in the world materials and the facilities for each one of you to carry out all the orthopedic trauma implantations, be it an external fixator, tension band wire, various types of platings, or even a nail to be carried out on the sawbone as a team. So this definitely enhances your confidence when you shall be treating these similar fractures in patients going forward. Also, what does this course open? The course opens a new platform for each one of you to be eligible to apply for a trauma fellowship and henceforth be a faculty at future conceptual orthopedics trauma courses. So this is once in a lifetime opportunity for all of you to take it forward so that you learn and then you teach your friends and the next generation of orthopedic students so that the learning continues. Any prerequisites to attend this course? Yes. The only prerequisite is that one has to have completed the Conceptual Orthopedics Trauma Foundation course and needs to be a member, not necessarily an active subscriber currently, but if at any point in time you were a subscriber to Conceptual Orthopedics platform, you are eligible to attend any of the offline courses held anytime in future. Me and my entire team at Conceptual Orthopedics are ready with this amazing course, the Conceptual Orthopedics Trauma Pinnacle course. Be there and take the maximum benefit out of it. See you in Greater Noida on March 27 to 29, 2026. Thank you.